In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to archive content in Notion step by step, using a simple and clean method that works for pages, notes, and ideas you don't want cluttering your workspace. Archiving in Notion is perfect when you want to hide information without deleting it permanently, so you can always come back to it later. If you use Notion for productivity, project management, or notes, this is a must-know skill. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button if you find this helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Notion and navigate to the workspace where you want to create your archive. From here, go to a new page. You can do this by clicking the plus icon or typing /page anywhere in your workspace. This new page will act as your archive container. Once the page is open, click anywhere on the page and type the word archive. This will be the main heading for everything you want to store away but keep accessible. After typing archive, highlight the text you just entered. With the text highlighted, click on the block options or right-click and choose Toggle List. This is important because a toggle lets you collapse and expand content, which is exactly what we want for archiving. Now that your archive text is inside a toggle, click on the highlighted archive toggle to make sure it's selected and active. Inside this toggle, you can now start adding the content you want to archive. Go ahead and type in your archived items, such as Demo 1 and Demo 2, or any notes, tasks, or pages you no longer need visible on a daily basis. Once you've added your items, click on the highlighted content again to adjust or move it as needed. You can drag pages, notes, or blocks into this toggle at any time. Keep clicking and organizing the highlighted items until everything you want archived is neatly stored inside the toggle list. The beauty of this method is that your workspace stays clean while your information stays safe and accessible. Anytime you need something back, just expand the archive toggle and retrieve it. And that's it. You've successfully created an archive in Notion using a toggle list, keeping your workspace organized without deleting anything. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.